All right, we're going to do the pie class. So I give you a spot here for it. We have three variables: Boolean, covered, string, filling, double, price. So they're all private. Private Boolean covered, private string filling, private double price. Then we want a constructor. It says there's two constructors, one that takes no arguments. So that's public pie, no arguments. And in here, we say covered equals true, filling equals apple, and price. I no longer can see what I'm working on. Price equals $14.99. It's a pretty good deal for a pie, $14.99. So don't put the dollar sign. All right, and we have another constructor that takes three arguments: string, boolean, double. So public pie, string for the filling, boolean for the covered, and double for the price. I'm just using F, C, and P. And we're going to set these things appropriately. Covered equals C. Filling equals F. And price equals P. Okay. That's all of that. And there's a toString, which returns a nicely formatted string as shown. So it's supposed to look like this. So I'm just bringing it up here. So we have it right where I need it. So we need to have covered or not, depending on whether it's covered, and then following the other information. So public string toString is how we write a method called toString. It always has that. And I'm going to say if covered. No, I'm going to even back up. I'm going to say string temp equals nothing. And then if covered, temp equals covered. And then I'm just going to slip that in. I'm going to say return temp plus filling. That's temp plus filling plus the word pie plus pie, comma, space, dollar sign, and then the price. So that should do it. Let's see what happens. Apparently I left a semicolon off. We all do it. There's two default pies in my test code. The only thing I did was I capitalized apple. I'm going to take that to be lowercase, just so it looks exactly like my sample output. Yeah, I don't know. Because the key lime, I guess I capitalized. But anyway, that's fine. For a covered apple pie, we'll just let it be what it is. All right, and I get to make my own pie. And you get to make your own pie. Pie 3 equals new pie. I'm going to do pecan, false, and it's 1732. Whoops, take off the dollar sign. That won't work. And I'm going to print it. System.out.println pie 3. Should have just made an array of pies and made 100 pies, and they all had random prices. But instead of doing that, I did just the basic assignment, which is a pecan pie for 1732. All right, folks, have a great Thanksgiving.